Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. I'm sorry if you hear screaming from upstairs. The Bronco game is on, and sadly I'm missing it because last night I recorded this video the exact same way, almost, except I did not include the liquid latex that I'm using tonight. I just got out of work, but I'm using liquid latex. I already applied it right here and right here. And as you can tell from the title, we are going to be recreating the Corpse Bride costume. But I am missing the Bronco game upstairs. My dad is like super excited. I'm assuming they made a touchdown or they got a first down, one or the other. So let's just get on into the video. I would 100% recommend using a reference photo when doing this look just to know where to put the liquid latex. So I have it on my right cheek and up here on my left temple, because that's where she has a few cracks and she has all of this exposed. So let's just get into the video. Okay you guys, so I've already started peeling the latex down. It's already dry and I'm starting to peel it off. Well, not off, but just peel it and have it look like my skin is kind of rotting off. You can see right here that the flesh just looks bleh. So I'm just rolling it off and everything. And it's gonna look super cool when we're done. In the video that I recorded yesterday, I just painted it on, so I felt like I should use the liquid latex today, just to create that awesome effect. So I'll show you when I'm done with this side and when I'm done kind of peeling this just a little bit, because it's mainly cracked up here and fully exposed right here. And just to let you know, I did film this whole video yesterday, except I didn't like the way the makeup turned out. The quality felt a little bit rushed, so I wanted to come back in and redo it, just because I know I can do better with the makeup look. It looked a little bit streaky. I didn't have the cool liquid latex effect that I wanted, and I just wanted an all-around better video. So I'll see you guys in a little bit after I finish playing around with this. Okay, so I just finished tearing up the liquid latex. So all this right here. You and then it's like ew, and then all that right there. So I did on my forehead too. So the liquid latex is done, which honestly is gonna make it look so much cooler. So I would totally recommend getting the fresh liquid latex from your local spirit store, Halloween store, special effects makeup store, whatever store you have. And I stock up on these cosmetic wedges from the Dollar Tree. Honestly, the Dollar Tree. Every single year there's 28 little sponges in a pack. So it's perfect if you don't want to damage any of your beauty blenders, beauty sponges, Real Technique sponges, any of those. So I just apply it with the cute little triangular sponge. I'm having a blast with this right now. There's like a little flap. I'm poking my finger through. Ew. I'm disgusting. So now I'm going to be mixing up blue and white paints to create this pale blue that Emily has going on in the Corpse Bride. So I'm just gonna get the right shade that I want, and I'll see you guys in 1 second. Okay, so I've officially mixed the white and blue together. I would honestly do 3 parts white and 1 part blue to this mixture. So that's what it looks like so far, like a swirly little mess. And I'm taking this sponge that I used yesterday to do this whole thing and just dipping in there, and hopefully this goes better than it did yesterday, but I hope it goes better, just because we're doing the liquid latex, and liquid latex is awesome. Hey, so just to update you guys a little bit, on this area, I managed to get the blue on, but I had to go in with like the Beauty Blender dab emotion. Dab motion, not dab emotion. Dab like motion. I swear I am articulate sometimes. Anyway, just to update you guys so you don't make a huge mistake and just rip off your face. So on to up here. So I feel like this is already looking way better than yesterday. It is currently 9:30. So it's still pretty early. I don't expect to be done until maybe 10:30. So we have a whole nother hour to go with this. I only took it down to right here because I don't want to get it on my American Horror Story Evan Peters tank top, which I wore 2 years ago? Either 2 or 3 years ago for my Tate Langdon Halloween costume. So if I still have photos, I will totally just insert them right now. If you are wearing this out as a costume for Halloween, I would actually paint my entire body this light blue. I would go out and get some skeleton leggings so you're not stuck for a whole hour just painting bones on your leg. So quick tip, just to save you a little bit of time if you're wearing this out as a costume. And I would get just a simple maxi flowy dress. If it's a sweetheart neckline, if it's a sweetheart neckline, that's great, that's a plus. If not, that's completely fine. I think any white flowy dress would suit Emily just perfectly. So I am taking some Laura Mercier because that's all the setting powder I have. Kind of feel like just taking a fistful of this and just on my face because I feel like that would be a little bit more effective. Just like any normal beauty routine, you gotta put powder. So we're gonna do the eyes almost last and just focus on like the big features. I'm taking this squared off fluffy brush with a flat top, and I'm taking a matte black eyeshadow and just putting it in there. I'm gonna use a larger brush for the bigger spaces and to just like tidy up and clean up some of these spaces and fill it in better. I'm going to be using a tinier brush. And it's okay if you get a little bit on the outer ruffled edges because we are not going to keep that clean for long either. Now I'm going to use a dark blue and just take that same brush because it's fine and kind of go in right here on the outer parts to show that it's a little bit bruised and everything. I'm gonna like pull this down, might be a little gross. Yeah, so far it looks pretty good. I'm a little bit surprised. So next up we're gonna go into contouring because let's face it, Emily is a little bit thin, like super thin. She's Tim Burton style thin. Okay, so we are going in and contouring, and I'm taking this e.l.f. Professional powder brush. I'm going in with a dark eyeshadow, more specifically, can you see? More specifically, this eyeshadow right here on top to contour. But yeah, that side we can't really do much about. And now I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Alchemist palette, and I'm going to be taking this metallic-y blue shade, which is Sapphire. I'm going to be using it on my brow bone and all of my highlight. And this is the finished look. I got the veil off of Wish for a really good cheap price. Remember, you are all strong, independent, articulate individuals, and thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!